Marneoli, located in Georgia's Kivimo-Kartli region, is a fascinating town known for its cultural diversity, bustling markets, and proximity to Tbilisi. It serves as a crossroad between Georgian and Azerbaijani traditions, offering visitors a unique blend of hospitality and regional charm. While not a major tourist hub, Marneuli and its nearby areas provide a variety of comfortable hotels and guest houses for boutique stays and family-run inns to practical mid-range hotels. Each property here reflects the warmth and friendliness of Georgian culture, making it a welcoming spot for travelers exploring this part of the country. The first one is Kafka's Hotel and Restaurant. Located centrally in Marneuli, Kafka's Hotel offers clean rooms, a garden terrace, and on-site dining for guests who want both comfort and convenience. The property's private parking is especially helpful for those traveling by car. Staff are friendly and helpful in ensuring a smooth and pleasant stay. It's an ideal option for short business trips or quick stopovers in town. The second one is Solo Palace. Situated in nearby Rustavi, Solo Palace provides modern comfort and reliable hospitality for visitors to Marneoli. Rooms are spacious, stylishly designed, and well maintained, offering a restful stay. Guests appreciate the professional service and relaxing atmosphere. Its close distance to Marneoli make it a dependable choice for travelers who want a touch of refinement. The third one is 21 Na Yudachu. This simple budget-friendly hotel combines clean, tidy room with good value for money. Guests highlight the friendly service, quiet surroundings, and functional amenities like free Wi-Fi and parking. While decor is modest, it provides reliable comfort for travelers on the go. It's a practical choice for those wanting both Rustavi and Marneuli. The fourth one is Hotel Silica. Hotel Silica is a three-star property offering a garden, terrace, and lounge area. The rooms are neat with essential facilities for a comfortable stay. Guests often remark on the helpful reception and convenience of the free parking. Its location near Rustavi also make it accessible for travelers exploring the Marneuli area. The fifth one is Hotel Rustavi. A centrally located hotel with a touch of old world charm, Hotel Rustavi provides large rooms and shared lounges. Guests enjoy the spacious balconies, which offer view of the town and a place to relax in the evenings. While not luxury, it offers a cozy and authentic stay. It is well suited for those who prefer practicality with a hint of nostalgia. The next one is Auto Papa. Popular with visitors arriving by car, Auto Papa provides straightforward lounging near the Rustavi car market. Its rooms are air conditioned, clean, and supported by a restaurant on site. Free parking and quick check ins make it especially convenient. Guest praises the practical service and comfort, making it a dependable transit spot. The next one is Marina Garden. Marina Garden is a charming property offering a quiet retreat close to Marneuli. Its garden setting and clean rooms create a calming atmosphere. Guests highlight the attentive host who provide personal service. It is a small but cozy option for travelers looking for peace after a busy day. The next one is Comfort, a locally popular choice. Comfort is a simple, mid-range hotel that emphasizes cleanliness and basic amenities. The rooms are functional and tidy, providing all the essentials for a restful stay. Guests appreciate its central location and value for money service. It is a reliable choice for visitors who prefer convenience without extra frills. The second last is Garden Boutique Hotel. Garden Boutique Hotel combines stylish decor with personalized hospitality, offering an elegant option in Bernoulli. The rooms are thoughtfully designed with comfort in mind, and the cozy ambience make it appealing for couples or business travelers. Guests value the warm service and boutique charm. It is one of the city's standout accommodations. The last one is Mosika Hostel. Mosika Hostel caters to budget-conscious travelers and solo adventurers. It provides dorm style and private rooms, a kitchen for self-catering, and laundry facilities. Guests enjoy the relaxed social vibe and opportunity to meet fellow travelers. Affordable, central, and friendly, it is a great option for those on a short or long stay in Bernoulli. The new lease hotel may not be lush, but they offer genuine comfort, attentive service, and the warm Georgian hospitality. From boutique hotels and central guest houses to practical budget hostels, every type of traveler will find an option that suits their needs.